Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Unit 4, rain. Rain, yes, we can observe rain throughout the month. Every day we got rain, right? We experienced rain. Every year, the month of July, August, there is rainy season. And your curriculum is designed in a way that this rain poem is came in the rainy season. So it is a nice way to learn about rain when there is rainy season. If you see outside, there is clouds, there is rain, so we can understand more. Uh, so, what is the rain poem? The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. So, where is the rain we can observe? We can observe rain everywhere. When there is rainy season, we can observe rain everywhere. Where it is falls on the fields and the trees, it is falls on umbrella also and ships. जहाजों के ऊपर भी जो समुद्र पे जहाज चल रहे हैं उसके ऊपर भी बारिश हो रही है. So when there is rainy season, everywhere is rain. This poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. He's a very famous writer, Robert Louis Stevenson. And children, this is a part of the big poem. आप जो यहाँ देख रहे हो 4 lines, it is only 4 lines. ये जो rain poem है ये बहुत बड़ी है. When you are young, you can search in the net. There is whole poem is there. Here you will get only 4 lines. Now see here new words. Which new words? Field. Field means मैदान, green area, that is called field. Umbrella, you can see umbrella, we use umbrella during rain. And ships, ships is sail on the seas. समुद्र में, river में, पानी में, people go through ships. So there is 3 new words. I will give you more. Now move to the second page. That is 55 number page. Here is few questions. Let's discuss it and then I will send you PDF of the answers. But let's discuss first what you understand. First is where does the rain fall? Answer is written in the first slide only. Where does the rain fall? The rain falls on fields and trees, umbrellas and ships. Everywhere rain falls. You can try it if you can. You can write the rain falls everywhere. What do people use when it rains? People use umbrella when it rains. What do you do on a rainy day? In a rainy day, we play outdoor games. We play different, we eat bhajiyas and samosas and because we can't go outside, right? So that time what we do? We will enjoy inside the house. That is the way to go through the rain. Now, how do you keep yourself dry in the rain? To keep ourselves inside the house. If we go outside, then we will get wet. तो उसके लिए we will put umbrella. Whenever we go outside in the rain, during the rain, we have to use umbrella to make ourselves dry. And if you get wet, then we have to clean ourselves by towel. We have to dry ourselves by towel. We have to use towel. Now, do you like to play in winter water? Yes? No? Whatever you answer. See what things live in water? Water में क्या क्या रहते हैं? You know which things are live in water? You know how many things are live in water? Many things. Fishes, frogs,
Crocodile.
yes, crocodile. They all lived in the
Shark. Shark. Octopus. Whale.
yes. Have
And
you heard?
jellyfish.
Okay.
Then shark.
Have you heard the sound of rainfall? Yes. We can hear the sound of rainfall. कैसा होता है rainfall? You can feel? Yes. Yes. Now, what sound does the rain makes on umbrella? Can you guess? कैसा sound umbrella में होता है? umbrella के ऊपर टिप 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 ऐसी sound होती है ना? What sound does the ये सब you have to feel it. What sound does the rain make on the leaves of the tree? You have to find out it. You have to listen it. अभी रेन हो रही है तो बारिश हो रही है तो आपको ये सब ऑब्जर्व करना. You have to observe it. What sound does the rain make on your window? Make all these sounds yourself. This is a work, observation work. This is not our notebook work. You have to observe. You have to read it and observe. Read this question and observe it because you can get the rain outside every day. So you can observe window के ऊपर rain का कैसा sound है. This is observation we have to do. Now children, here 56 number page. Complete the story. As one little white cloud floated in the sky one day, another little cloud called out, "Come, let us play." This is a story, half story. We have to finish it. See children, यहाँ पर एक आधी लिखी हुई स्टोरी है, इसे हमें पूरी करनी है. तो क्या लिखा हुआ है? As one little white cloud floated in the sky one day, another little cloud called out, "Come, let's us play." एक छोटा सा क्लाउड खेल रहा था तो उसने दूसरे क्लाउड को बुलाया और बोला चलो साथ में खेलते हैं. As two little clouds danced in the sky, so blew another little cloud asked, "Can I join you?" When they both are started playing, another cloud saw and said, "Can I join to play with you?" As three clouds held hands in the sky, the wind blew another little cloud very close by. जैसे ही तीनों साथ में हाथ पकड़ के तीनों क्लाउड खेलना शुरू किया, चौथे क्लाउड को क्या किया? हवा ने जोर से धक्का मारा और वो भी आके ज्वाइन हो गया खेलने के लिए. और जब इतने सारे क्लाउड्स आ गए, एज फोर, अगेन 57 नंबर पेज, as four little clouds decided what to do, another little cloud joined them very quietly too. जैसे ही फोर लिटिल क्लाउड एक साथ होके सोच रहे थे कि अब क्या करना है, तो और भी एक फिफ्थ नंबर क्लाउड भी क्या हुआ? उनके साथ ज्वाइन हो गया. बहुत ही धीरे से, क्वाइटली मतलब आराम से. अब क्या होगा? What is the end of the story? Now write what the fifth and the sixth cloud did. फिफ्थ नंबर क्लाउड ने जब ज्वाइन किया तो उसने क्या किया और सिक्स नंबर क्लाउड ने क्या किया. चिल्ड्रन, दिस स्टोरी इज रिटन बाय शांतनी गोविंदम. जी, आपको ऑथर्स के नाम हमेशा फॉलो कर देगा. नाउ चलो आंसर देख लेते हैं इसका. सी चिल्ड्रन, very lightly written, but I am reading, you write. As five little clouds came close laughing, another little cloud joined them hopping. As six little clouds spoke of white and blue, another little cloud joined them too. Again I am repeating. As five little clouds came close laughing, another little cloud joined them hopping. Full stop. As six little clouds spoke of white and blue, another little cloud joined them too. आपको लिखना है बच्चों. I'm giving you time. Read and write. And read and write, everyone. When you are writing, always read. Which sentence? As. You are writing as. So you have to read as. So you will never be mistake to write. अगर आप read करके लिखोगे, ना spelling mistake होगी और ना आपका कोई भी word छूटेगा. This is the best way for writing. You have to read it. As five little clouds came close laughing, another little cloud joined them hopping. Full stop. As six little clouds spoke of white and blue, another little cloud joined them too. And
मैम आपने जो लिखा है वो समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
It is very simple. Okay, I am writing it again. Okay. See children, I am writing it again. Wait, huh? I am writing it again. In that page only I am writing. Okay children? Wait, मैं आपको फिर से लिख के देती हूँ. As 5 little cows came, chose, laughing, another little cloud joined them, hopping. As 6 little clouds spoke of white and blue, comma, another little cloud joined them too. I hope it is visible now. Right. Children, I wrote it downside. You can see here. Same thing I written down. So you can copy from there also. Quickly copy and then we will move. बोल के लिखो. You speak and read. Speak and write. Everyone speak and write. Children, I am moving to next page. In my video tutorial, you will.
मैम मेरा नहीं हुआ है.
Okay, okay, right. Right.
मैम
Right. Children, those who not finished, you can see my video tutorial and write from there. I will send you video tutorial. I will send you video tutorial. You can write from there. I am recording the whole chapter. I am recording. Okay. Just wait. I will come to this page. Let me explain all the pages. 58 number page. Please move. If you're not finished, no problem. I will again go to that page. See 58 number page. And here it is written, fill in the letter to complete the crossword puzzle. use the pictures as clues. So it is very simple. What is the answer? First is C, S written one. Let's see the answers. Okay. See, children. First answer is snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. Answer of first crossword puzzle is snow, because you can see here is cloud. So first answer is snow, and then wind. You can see here wind is blowing, and then cloud. See, cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. And then light, bulb है ना उसके ऊपर, so light. And here dust, and here sun is there, so heat, and star is making, so star. Here
Ma'am,
moon
आप इसकी-
is there, so moon, and there is sun. Again I am repeating, now I am explaining. Okay.
मैम आप इसकी पीडीएफ भेजोगे?
Yes, no, not PDF. I will send video of this tutorial. What I am teaching you, I'll send this video. जो मैं अभी पढ़ा रही हूँ ना, उसका वीडियो मैं आपको भेजूंगी. तो वीडियो देख के भी आप कर सकते हो. These things you will get in the video. Every time I send in Google Classroom. आपको Google Classroom always follow करना है. Okay, weekly, every day you see something is there. English class में, in English secondary class I send, जो भी मैं पढ़ाती हूँ next day मैं वीडियो उसका शेयर करती हूँ. I am recording. So these things I will share with you. Okay. Now children, again I am repeating.
57 मैम मेरा 57 पेज नंबर का लिखा नहीं है.
I will give. Wait. Children, wait.
मैम my work is done.
Don't speak बेटा. आपकी है ये सारी आवाज रिकॉर्डिंग में आ जाएगी. Your voice will come in the recording. Okay.
57 का
Children, see snow. Write it first.
ये
Then
पीडीएफ
wind. Misha, I will send video of this tutorial. I will send video. Everyone, thumbs up karo. I will send video. Okay. So you will get everything. Don't worry. Don't speak. सिर्फ बातें मत करो, because your voice will come in that video. Snow. Write snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. Wind. Cloud. Light. See children, every starting word is donate with a image. ये कौन सा image है? Dust. Very easy to find out. D-U-S-T, dust. Heat. H-E-A-T. Heat. Star. Sun. And here moon. Now move to the next page. See children, riddle time. Who am I? 1 second children. See children, here is options are there also. You have to write here also. So ये आप खुद करोगे. This is your homework. Here moon, then sun. Here is cloud, and this is star. So you will do your own. Now, next page. Page number. Next page. Okay. Riddle time page. Who am I? I go up and down a lot, whether it is cold or hot. Sometimes I am on the ground. Another time I am in the clouds. My name is rhymes with daughter. I am your friend named. देखो यहाँ आंसर उल्टा लिखा ही है. What? So now see children, fish tank. Look at this fish tank. Write 3 sentences on what you see. Draw some more creatures in this tank. तो यहाँ पर fish tank है. हमें इसको देख के इसके बारे में 3 sentences लिखने. We have to write 3 sentences about this fish tank. चलो इसका आंसर देख लेते हैं. Yes. So children, answer is that last page answer is written here, but you have to do your own here. देखो ये तो मैंने पहले ही आपको explain किया. This is moon, so you have to write moon. This is sun, so you have to write sun here. This is cloud, and this is star. And now Next page. Turn the page. Turn करो page. Next page है. See, this one is 58 number page and उसका नीचे ही होगा. Yes, see children, ये जो fish का tank बना हुआ है, we have to write 3 words and words are written here. See the 3 words. I see here one word is not written. 1 second children. एक word यहाँ छूट रहा है. I am writing here. I'm writing here again and you copy the same, okay? Again I am writing. 1 second. Write with me. I see many fish swimming in the water. And second line is I see lots of green plants in the water. Okay, second line. Now third line. I can also see stones at the bottom of the fish tank. I know. Yes, children. Write it. Children, write it. I written.
No, ma'am.
You write it. I'm giving you time. I see many fish swimming in the water. First line. Then I see lots of green plants in the water. And then third line, I can also see stones at the bottom of the fish tank. क्या क्या देख सकते हैं? फिश स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं, वो देख रहे हैं. मैं क्या देख पा रही हूँ? ग्रीन प्लांट्स.
मैं कब से अपना बाहर निकल जाता हूँ.
वाई?
पता नहीं, अपने आप.
बेटा आपकी आवाज आएगी. आपका जब इट इज हैपन व्हेन योर नेटवर्क कनेक्शन इज पुअर, दैट टाइम इट्स हैपन.
ओके.
नाउ म्यूट योरसेल्फ. कोई नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग. आप वीडियो देखना एंड देन फिनिश. एवरीथिंग विल कम इन द वीडियो.
Work is done.
Don't speak. You will do this. Okay.
मैम 1 सेकंड रखो ना.
No, you have to be speedy.
मैम my work is done.
Don't speak in
मैम my
between.
work is.
Now move to the next page, children. There is one 4 pictures. You have to finish the picture. So there, here is the answer. First picture is the picture of a ship. It is sailing in the sea. So what is the sentence? The ship is sailing on the sea. See children, ship है, एक ही ship है, चल रहा है तो ing होता है. So is sailing. The ship is sailing. ing लगा sail के साथ. On the sea. The river flows from the mountain. The duck is swimming in the lake. The frog lives in the pond. Very simple. Again, I am repeating. What we have to see, we have to write. आप कुछ और भी लिख सकते हो if you find out. The ship is sailing on the sea. The river flows from the mountain. The duck is swimming in the lake. The frog lives in the pond. This is next page. You can write your own also, no problem. I will love it if you write your own sentences. I'm just giving you one example. ये example है. But आपको अगर लगता है कि the sheep is very big, तो लिख सकते हो, you can. Children, those who finish, they will thumbs up me like Misha. You will thumbs up me if you finished. And you will get in my video also. There is again one chance to finish it. You will get my video. I will send you this video. Through the video you can write. So don't worry, you will not miss anything. Okay. See children, now last page, I think this one. I will show you again another other pages. Let me explain. See children, again one last page, this one is last page. We have to finish it. You can see. Color करना है. Just you see and then you have to color it. Instruction is given. This is one example. देखो ऊपर लिखा हुआ है. What is written on the instruction? You have to red color. You will put in words which is finished with in. जो भी word in से finish हो रहा है, end letter is in, you have to color it with red color. Again I am repeating. इन से खत्म होने वाले वर्ड्स को आपको क्या करना है? रेड कलर करना है. देखो पिन, PIN, पिन, पिन, SPIN, स्पिन.
मैम पूरे में कलर करना है.
बेटा आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, लिसन. पूरे में कलर नहीं करना है बेटा, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. देयर इज 3 कलर्स, ओके? रेड, येलो, ब्लू. हमें 3 कलर करने हैं, रेड, येलो, ब्लू. रेड कलर किसको करना है? द वर्ड इज एंड विथ इन से जो वर्ड खत्म हो रहा है, इन से, तो पिन जो है वो इन से खत्म हो रहा है, तो हमने रेड कलर किया. जो कलर यहाँ है वही कलर करना है. स्पिन, SPIN, स्पिन. लास्ट वर्ड क्या है? इन है. लास्ट लेटर क्या है? इन है, तो रेड कलर. फिन में भी लास्ट वर्ड इज IN, इन. लास्ट लेटर क्या है? इन है, फिन, तो रेड कलर. नाउ टिन, TIN, टिन. So you have to color red, all inward. Now dot, DOT, dot. OT है एंड में. जो भी वर्ड OT से खत्म हो रहा है उसको ब्लू कलर करना है. अभी ढूंढो और कहाँ OT है. देखो ब्लू कलर है, SPOT, स्पॉट. So you have to color blue. Hot, OT है, HOT, hot. POT, pot. It is also OT. So you have to color it blue. किया हुआ है, देखो अभी देखो येलो कलर क्या है, येलो कलर, इसको आपको येलो कलर ही करना है. क्राउन, CROWN, तो OWN है सारे में, ड्रॉन, DROWN, ड्रॉन. क्लाउन, CLOWN, क्लाउन. GOWN, gown. BROWN, brown. FROWN, frown. So in this way you have to finish it. अब मैं आपको one by one again I will go to the first page and I will again explain. Listen carefully and finish. जिसका जो बाकी है. This is actual homework. You will do your own. I am repeating, okay children? I am repeating whole. अब मैं starting में जा रही हूँ. I am going to start point and I will repeat all. See children, first क्या था? Finishing the story. So what is the finishing line of the story? As 5 little clouds came close laughing, another little cloud joined them hopping. As 6 little clouds spoke of white and blue, another little cloud joined them too. This is the first work, rewriting work. Finish it. Children, follow the class, you can. Now, आराम से लिखो. If you finish, अच्छे सी writing करो. Handwriting should be good because you will get the video also. ये video मैं भेजूंगी. You can write from there also. This page you can see in the video. Now,
Ma'am, my work is done.
Now this is second word, crossword puzzle. The answer is snow, wind, cloud, light, heat, star, sun, moon, dust. Now another, that is writing of these words, picture words. Moon, sun, cloud, star. And then 3 sentences for the fish tank. I see many fish swimming in the water. I see lots of green plants in the water. I can also see stones at the bottom of the fish tank. Now children, fill in the blanks: sea, river, lake and pond.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Now children, I will stopping because my time is over.
मैम मेरा कलर वाला हो गया है.
Don't speak.